AREC stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very, very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've done the most videos ever from this type of character on YouTube. I've done 38,000 over the last 5 years. Nobody else that's doing these videos every single day has done as much videos as I've done. And not just that, that's just kind of my experience, and you cannot fake that. And I've invested like 5 figures in courses and mentors. With AREC, yes, I would still say it's still a bearish range, although it went up 25% because a lot of people are just ultra unrealistic. To be very frank, the only time where I'm actually going to begin to look for potential bullish market here is going to be the moment I start seeing full candle closes above 73 cents, right? If that does not happen, me buying is just not going to be the case, because now it's a bearish range, you know. So let me know what is your opinion, and obviously I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's free sauce. Goodbye.